Welcome to Data Analyst Job Search 101, working on digital mapping projects. In today's episode, we'll guide you on how to apply for data analyst roles that involves working on digital mapping projects, especially roles where you'll be tasked with improving geographical data accuracy and enhancing user experience in mapping applications like Google Maps and other similar navigation tools. We'll walk you through the process of preparing your application documents and give you the tools to confidently land this kind of role. So let's dive in. First, how to tailor your resume for digital mapping data analyst job. So when you're applying for a data analyst person focused on digital mapping and geospatial data, such as verifying map accuracy, business locations, and route data. So your resume must reflect your expertise in this area. Here is how tailor your resume to match the job. So first, key highlights for your resume. So these are the relevant skills you should mention: strong analytical skills, research capabilities, familiarity with digital mapping tools like Google Maps, GPS applications, and map validation techniques, local knowledge, so geography of the country you are applying, so attention to detail and accuracy in data validation. So work experience, so highlight any past roles, so involve data analysis. So if you don't have any experience, you don't need a prior experience for this kind of job. So you can just mention like research map data validation. Obviously, you will be using Google Maps, so you can include this one. So for the use of the mapping software like Google Maps or GPS application. So if you don't have direct experience, emphasize your transferable skills such as attention to detail, your ability to use mapping tools for research purposes. Okay. Don't forget if you have any certification or related this field or like education, so just mention under your education or certification section. So next one, technical skills. So mainly include tools you worked with, such as Google Maps, search engines, GPS tools, and other geospatial application. All right. So next one, summary. So you can write like this couple of sentences: detail-oriented data analyst with expertise in digital mapping applications, proficient in using Google Maps, GPS tools, and geospatial data to verify and improve map accuracy for better user navigation experiences. All right. So next, include these skills also under your summary: data analysis, Google Maps and GPS navigation, geospatial data verification, research and problem solving, local geographic knowledge. So next, number 2 is cover letter. Tailoring your cover letter for digital mapping projects. Okay, so your cover letter should clearly connect your data analysis and mapping skills to project or task the company is looking to fill. So here is how to draft tailor cover letter. Okay. Dear so and so, so maybe the hiring manager, I'm excited to apply for the data analyst position in the digital mapping and geospatial data field. So with the strong analytical mindset and extensive local knowledge, I'm confident in my ability to contribute to improving the map accuracy and enhancing user navigation experiences. Okay. So if you have some previous company or academic experience, I have honored my research and data validation skills, ensuring the accuracy of geographic dataset and map details. For example, mention relevant project or experience where you worked with Google Maps or other mapping application to validate and improve the data accuracy. So I'm proficient in tools such as Google Maps, search engines, and GPS applications, and I'm excel at using these to ensure the data integrity and enhance your user experiences. So I'm particularly excited about the opportunity to help improve the digital mapping accuracy and contribute to better navigation and business location data, which are the crucial for improving users' daily navigation experiences. I would welcome the opportunity to bring my expertise to your team. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to discussing how my skills align with the requirements of this role. So this is just a sample, so you can customize as you need. All right. So next important document is to to reflect the job you are applying. So you should capture something in your LinkedIn profile as well. Okay, so maybe you can update like this if you are planning to apply this kind of job. So let's take a look how you can capture this one. So your LinkedIn profile should reflect your focus on digital mapping too and geospatial data validation. So here is how structured for minimum impact. Okay, so headline: data analyst, geospatial data specialist, expert in Google Maps or navigation data something. Okay, so you can include in headline. So summary: I am a data analyst with strong focus on digital mapping and geospatial data accuracy. With hands-on experience using Google Maps and other mapping tools, I specialize in verifying and improving map data, business locations, and route accuracy to enhance user experiences. Currently seeking opportunity to contribute to mapping and geospatial data projects. All right. So skills: data analysis, Google Maps and GPS navigation, geospatial data validation, geographic information systems. All right. So next one, very important, your portfolio. So if you have a question, where to include this portfolio? So you can include the portfolio end of your resume and your LinkedIn and your cover letter too. Okay. So for digital mapping roles, your portfolio should reflect ability to verify, improve your map data accuracy. So you need to focus on how you can improve your map data accuracy. So here are the things you can include. Case studies: share some example how you worked on data validation projects. So if you haven't worked on, so if you are planning to work, so just grab a data set or come up with a business case, and after you complete this one, so you can include this one. Okay, so especially those involving Google Maps, GPS data or geospatial data sets. Describe how verify the map location, improve the accuracy of business location, routes or geographic details. Tools proficiency include a screenshot or description of project where you use Google Maps, GPS tools or other mapping software to enhance the map data. So certifications, so just include your certification if you have a relevant certifications. Okay. Next one, 5, if you are planning to apply this type of jobs. So these are 5 ideal job interview questions. Okay, let's take a look. So how do you ensure the accuracy of map data in projects like Google Maps? So this can be a question. So suggested answer, you can answer: I begin by validating the data against trusted reference sources, ensuring the geographic coordinates and location data are correct. I cross-reference with multiple sources, check for the inconsistencies and perform data cleaning to remove duplicates or outdated information. Okay, let's take a look. The second question: can you describe a project where you worked with map data to improve your navigation accuracy? So suggested answer is: in previous project, I worked with Google Maps to verify business locations and update the map data. So I used GPS tool to confirm street addresses and map coordinates, identifying discrepancies that were then corrected for the improved accuracy and user navigation. All right. So third question: how do you handle errors or discrepancies in map data? Suggested answer is: when I encountered errors in map data, I first investigate to source and verify the accuracy by cross-checking with the reliable data set. If needed, I work with external teams to address the issue and update the map, ensuring the accurate and up-to-date data for users. Okay. The fourth question: what experience do you have with geospatial data analysis or mapping tools like Google Maps? Suggested answer is: I have hands-on experience with Google Maps, GPS tools, and geographical information systems (GIS). I have used tools validate data accuracy, confirm location details, and analyze route data to ensure that aligns with the real-world geographic features. Okay. Final question: how do you prioritize tasks when you are working on multiple map validation projects? Suggested answer: when handling multiple tasks, I prioritize based on project urgency and impact of the data being validated. I break down the tasks into similar steps, tackle high priority items first and communicate with stakeholders to ensure I'm focusing on the right areas for the map data. All right. So we handle the research. So our mission is we handle the research and guide you through the application process so you can focus on what matters, applying confidently and landing your first IT job. So ready to kickstart your career in data analyst or geospatial projects? We'll be with you every step of the way. Thank you and have a good day.